Now these ones I would recommend that you mostly work on your F chord. Even if some of the other ones are lacking a little bit, you really want to get these F chords under your fingers. Now because there's a few different ways, you can either do the full bar chord F, the old school one, or the mini one. It kind of makes there's a lot of different kind of combinations you could go to, a lot of different fingering changes that you could work on. Now I would, as I said, I kind of recommend you have a go at doing the big bar chord F. I know it's a little bit nasty, a little bit hard, but I think it's worth working on even at the beginner stage, because you might well crack it and then you've got a really good skill that you can use and it'll help you no end when we come to learning our proper bar chords all over the neck. So if we're going, the changes that I'd recommend that are really, because I'm trying to pick kind of common chord changes and ones that also help you out with using the right fingers and practicing your anchor fingers and stuff like that. The first one I'd recommend is doing F chord to C chord. So if you're doing F chord as a full bar chord to C, you've got a third finger anchor there. So make sure you use that. Anchor fingers are great. If you can get an anchor finger going for any of your chord changes, that would be a really good idea. Yeah? So either F to C, F to C. Yeah, trying to keep that third finger down. Now if you're doing old school F like this to C, it's pretty straightforward as well. F to C. F to C. We've still got our third finger anchor. If we're doing F to C this way, we're going F mini, first finger's rolling onto the tip and the other two fingers move over to C and back, F to C, F to C. Now, if you're also working on your bar chord, a good one to practice as well is F to E, going here F to E, getting used to sliding that bar off the end. So lift the bar up, back, there's your E chord. Slide it forward, back down, there's your F. Lift it up, slide it off, there's your E. Slide it up, put it back down, there's your F. That's a really good one to work on as well. That's not so effective if you're trying to do mini F to E. That's a much more difficult change than sliding the bar off. Although, difficult ones are good. You should always be practicing the things that you find hardest, so that might be a pretty good thing to do as well. The other ones I recommend here is F to D. Now, F to D is a big chord change, right? That's an all fingers off chord change. No matter what F you're doing, if you're doing F to D like that, it's still all of the fingers have got to come off. Great for practicing your air changes as well, that one. The F old school to your D chord and F mini to D chord as well. Definitely worth practicing. F chord often goes to A minor as well, so a good one to be working on is F to A minor. It's another all change. That might be one that you find is quite a difficult one and it's very common. And the other one is F to G, which is a very, very common thing to find in songs. Most songs in C have a part, in the key of C, have a section where it goes F to G. So F, all fingers off to G, back to F, back to G. That's kind of a pretty difficult change because I don't know if you can see from the close-up or not, but the position of your palm here is quite flat and then it has to go down a little bit to facilitate the third finger making it onto that thinner string. So that can be quite a good one as well. So maybe this week, really focus on putting your F chord to use. It's going to take practice, like I said. There's nothing you can do about it. Just get in there, grit it out, bit of hard work, and you will crack that F chord. Everyone finds it difficult. Just get on with it. So have a little bit of fun with your 1 minute changes, and I'll see you for another lesson sometime real soon. Bye-bye.